Good morning, Team Pro Power Washing out here this morning. We are in Southington. We are at an HOA area. We were actually here 2 weeks ago and we completed that house right there. And this association does not want any HS being used in this area. So we are using simple green today. We're just soaping everything down. It's a construction area, so the customer just wants all of the dirt and grime washed out of the house. As you can see, it's not too dirty, but we are going to be taking care of this home today. Soaping it down real good, getting rid of the red clay, getting rid of all the dirt. Let's take a quick walk around. We're gonna get rid of anything that we can to clean the house for the client. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this project. And we will come back once the project is completed. So since we are not using any bleach on this house, we do not have to do any protection. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll be right back when we're completed. All right, so we have set our hoses up. We are starting all the way in the back of the home. Currently, we are applying our soap, our biodegradable soap, as I showed earlier. Since this HOA association, once again, does not want us to use any SH. I did say HS earlier, but of course that's incorrect. We all know that. So SH, sodium hypochlorite. This organization or this HOA does not want any of that used on any of these homes. So we went ahead and bought a biodegradable solution. We're only getting rid of dust from the construction sites here. So there's no mold or green or anything like that on these homes. So this detergent will work and has worked for us. We did that house back there, as I mentioned earlier, and we're doing this one today. So right now we are on the back part of the home. We wrapped our hoses all the way around to the back. Then we're going to go ahead and do this side, moving on to the front and then to the far right of the home. And we will be back when everything is completed. There is no dirt, there is no mold for me to show you because there is none. But I will show you the process. Alan is applying his soap, and then we're going to rinse and we're going to repeat all the way around the home. All right, we are currently on the left side of the home. And one of the things that we're mainly going to concentrate, other than getting rid of the dirt and dust, is trying to get rid of those tiger stripes from the gutters. These are fairly new gutters, so it will be easy enough for us to just brush them a little bit and get rid of all those tiger stripes. Once those tiger stripes are removed, I will come back and show you how we were able to remove them. Right now we're applying soap. All right, we'll be right back. Another thing that we're actually concentrating on is all this red clay. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see it. All this red clay from the bottom white here. That's another item that we're concentrating on and removing for the client. And that is one of the items that they are looking for us to get rid of. And that should be easy enough for us to brush it with a little bit of chem. And we'll get rid of that. We'll show you once that has been completed as well. And the chemical that we're using to get rid of this red clay is aluminum brightener. We will spray it all the way down and then we will brush it. Put your hand up. just like that, aluminum brightener gets rid of all this red clay. Okay. Let's brush it, and then you rinse. Same process on the gutters. You can see all those tiger stripes. They're gone. Once again, this will not work for all gutters. These are fairly new gutters, so that is why this is working. If they were old, faded, painted, it would not work. Now we're rinsing the chemical out of the gutters. You can see all the stripes are gone. Everything is gone. All right, we are currently applying the soap on the front of the home. We decided to do the front before we did the right side this time. So we're doing the front, getting it soaped down, and then we will be rinsing it and moving on to the right side of the home, and then we will be done with our project for today. Alrighty, we have come to the last part of our project. We're doing the right side of the home, currently spraying the gutters so that we can get rid of those tiger stripes. We've already put soap on the entire house. We have already brushed the bottom white ledge, and now we will be rinsing, and we will come back with the final product and do a quick walk around of the entire property, show you how the red clay markings are gone and the tiger stripes are gone. All right, we have come to the end of our project, so we're going to take a quick walk around so that you can see the house entirely, how nice and clean it is. I will point out the bottom ledge so that you can see that it's no longer red. I will point out right here, as you can see, those gutters, you don't see no more stripes on them. Okay. As you can see, this bottom trim that was red no longer is red. Nice and white. Okay. Once again, that was with the aluminum brightener and a little bit of brushing, not too much. Happy customer. So if it takes a little bit of brushing, that's what we do. So here we go, all the way around. We did brush all the gutters, and we did brush all the trim on the bottom for this customer. This was a quick house wash for us, since it did not have any algae, mold, lichen, or any of those stubborn usual spots. This house came out nice, but once again, it's new constructions. Everything is looking good. Folks, we're Team Pro Power Washing. We are located in Meriden, Connecticut, and we do all the surrounding towns. And we do several different kinds of projects. We will do soft washing, power washing, house, roofs, gutters, pool pads, decks. If you need a quote, give us a call for a free quote, 203-683-8316. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so that you can see more finished projects like this one.